بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. أبنائي وبناتي طلبة الثانوية العامة لغات، هنعمل سلسلة صغيرة كده مع بعض إن شاء الله فيها الكريكولم بتاعنا المشترك بين ستيم والتراديشنال والمتعلق بستيم فقط، بس احنا متخصصين في ستيم يعني. بداية هنتكلم النهارده our lesson today about integration by parts. If we have product of two function in the variable x, u and v, u function of x and v another function of x. The product of u v, if we find the first derivative of this product, as we know, it's equal u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So d u dot v equals u dv by dx plus v du by dx or dx, and we get d u dot v equals u dv plus v du. By integrate both sides, integration, uv equals integration u dv plus integration v du. By distribute integration here. So integration u dv equals uv minus integration v du, and this is the rule we use to find the integration of u dv. Now, what's u and what's v? U and v are two functions on x, but how we choose u and v? We choose u and v by the word I refer to the inverse trigonometric function L refer to logarithmic function A refer to algebraic function T refer to trigonometric function A refer to exponential function My reference here is GEE. This technique of integration follow three rules. One of them, how to define u and v. Let us take some examples. Integration, find integration x e power x dx. Now I choose u and v by this rule, by this word. X is algebraic and e is exponential. So I take u equals x and dv equals e power x dx. Then du equals dx, and v equals e power x. By applying the rule, I equals integration x e power x dx equals uv minus v du. Integration v du. uv equals x e power x minus integration v du e power x dx. This is equal x e power x plus c e power x minus e power x plus c. This is the integration of x e power x dx. Another example. Integration x sine x dx. X is algebraic and u is algebraic, and sine x dv is trigonometric. So u equals x and dv equals sine x dx. du equals dx and v equal negative cosine x. So I here equals uv negative x cosine x minus integration v du negative cosine x dx. This is equal negative x cosine x plus positive sine x plus c. Now we take another example. Find the integration x squared sine x dx. In this case, we take u equals x squared because of u is algebraic, and dv equals sine x dx. Sine x dx is trigonometric. du equals 2x dx, and v equals negative cosine x. I equals uv negative x squared cosine x minus integration v du negative 2x cosine x dx. Here we make this technique again because of 2x is algebraic and cosine x is trigonometric. So we make here negative x squared cosine x plus integration 2x cosine x dx. u equals x, and we make 2 here, and dv equals cosine x dx. du equal dx, and v equals sine x. So this integral equals negative x squared cosine x plus 2 brackets uv x sine x minus integration v du sine x dx. This equals negative x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x minus 2 integration sine x equals negative cosine x, so positive here cosine x plus c. This is the result of integration. Now we apply this rule twice, 2 times. How to apply this rule? Initially, from one step. We make u here and v here. This integration and this derivative. U firstly equal x squared and v equal sine x dx. By derivative, we derivative here 2x and we integrate here negative cosine x. By derivative 2, by integrate negative sine x. By derivative 0, by integrate positive cosine x. So we make this rule positive, negative, positive to reach to 0. So this integration I equals x squared times negative cosine x, negative x squared cosine x, minus this integration equal negative 2x sine x plus 2 times cosine x plus c. This equals negative x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x plus 2 cosine x plus c. This is the same we find it before. So if we apply this rule continuously, we make this rule to apply it. Here we differentiate. Here we integrate to reach 0, and we apply this in this diagonal positive, negative, positive to find this integration. If we integrate logarithmic function or inverse trigonometric function only by this rule, integrate log x dx or ln x dx to the base e. We make this by the second rule in integration by parts. We make u equals ln x log or ln, here u is ln x. And what's dv? dv here is a unity. We make dv is 1 dx. So the first function we take it ln or log or inverse trigonometric function, and the second is unity. So du here equals 1 over x and v equals x, and we apply the integral equals uv x ln x minus integration v du x 1 over x dx. This is equal x ln x minus integration 1 dx. This equals x ln x minus x plus c. This is the value of integration. Now we take another example. integration ln x all power 2 dx. We take u equal ln x all power 2 and dv equals dx. du here equals 2 ln x times the derivative of ln x 1 over x. Here v equals x. So the integration equals uv x ln x whole squared minus integration v du x times 2 ln x 1 over x. Can omitting the x here. It's integration x ln x whole power 2 minus 2 integration ln x dx. u equal ln x dv equal dx. du equals 1 over x dx and dv and v equals x. So this equals x ln x all over 2 minus 2, this integration equal uv x ln x minus integration v du x times 1 over x dx. This equals x ln x all power 2 minus 2 x ln x. This integration equals x times negative 2 or positive 2x plus c. This is the value of integration. Let us take another example. Integration e power x cosine x dx. E exponential, the last one. Cosine trigonometric. T here. So we take u equals cosine x and dv equal e power x dx. du here equals negative sine x dx and v equals e power x. So this integration I equals uv e power x cosine x minus integration e power x negative sine x dx. We can apply the rule here. This equals e power x cosine x plus integration e power x sine x dx. u equals sine x and dv equals sine x dx. du equals cosine x dx and v equals integration of sine negative cosine x. I equal e power x cosine x here plus this integration equal uv negative sine x dx. Let's take another example. Integration e power x cosine x dx. Here is exponential function and trigonometric function. We take u trigonometric because t trigonometric before exponential function. So u equals cosine x, and dv equals e power x dx. du here equals negative sine x, and v equals e power x. So this integration equals uv e power x cosine x minus integration v du, so plus here, negative times negative equal positive, integration e power x sine x dx. We can repeat applying integration by part in this part, equals e power x cosine x, and we take u here equals sine x, and dv equals e power x dx. So du equals cosine x dx, and v equals e power x. We find this integration equals uv e power x sine x minus integration v du e power x cosine x dx. Be careful, this integration equals the initial integration we do. So we can call it I. So negative I, we can take it here. We get 2i equals e power x cosine x plus e power x sine x plus c. So I equals e power x cosine x plus e power x sine x over 2 plus c, or all plus c, we can do it. In some reference, you can find this rule, this word, LIBET. This means we take u logarithmic initially, and inverse trigonometric secondary, and polynomial and exponential before trigonometric. So in the previous example, integration e power x cosine x dx, we can take u under this rule equals exponential e power x, and dv equals cosine x dx. So du here equals e power x dx, and v equals integration of cosine equals sine x. And this integration equals uv e power x sine x minus integration e power x sine x dx. And you can take u here equals e power x, and dv equals sine x dx. Here du equals e power x dx, and v equals negative cosine x. I here equals e power x sine x minus the integration equal uv negative e power x cosine x minus integration e power x times negative cosine x dx. This equals e power x sine x plus e power x cosine x plus integration e power x cosine x dx. This is wrong. Here negative. Here negative x. Negative times a positive. Here positive equals negative. So this integration equals I. So 2i here, I plus I equals e power x sine x plus e power x cosine x plus c. So I equals e power x sine x plus e power x cosine x over 2 plus c. This is the same value of the integration if we take u equals cosine x and dv equals e power x dx. Thank you.